What's up guys, it's Johnny here and I'm back with another freaking video.
I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, confess. You can open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. You make me so.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go do my nails with my sister and I'm gonna show you a little bit to that. Time has passed in between my hair and now. Basically I finished my hair early and then I went to a couple of stores, went home, did some chores and stuff like that. So now I'm doing my nails and let's get to it. What's up guys, it's Yana here. We're back with another freaking video and this is a birthday girl. We're celebrating her today and we're going to Key West. It's a whole day trip. We're not grabbing down, getting some food and
Breakfast is champ.
feel me? And she just started her YouTube. So y'all go subscribe to her. I'll put her name over here and everything else like that. But yeah guys, get into it.
That was like a jump.
You know what she had for breakfast? You know what she had for breakfast?
Alright, so guys, so the birthday girl done dressed up, her curls is out.
Looking
Friend, period. Okay, so we're going to the beach. And then Yana, but she's driving, so yeah. And then Brandon. Okay, so we're going to the beach, and then what we doing after that? Wait, are we getting some food too?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
And I'm gonna get some food, so I'll show you guys that. This is like my first time coming to Key West, so I'm trying to like see how it is and everything, but yeah, I'm just really liking it.
We're gonna have fun. We're gonna go paddleboarding or kayaking.
This kayaking. Kayaking. This is gonna have fun. That's what it is. We're gonna have freaking fun.
When that one day I don't wear it, I'm gonna look like a naked cat. I don't know.
That's literally me.
Yeah, girl.
I don't.
Alright guys, so everyone is up there. So it's just me and my little, well, she older than me, so I would say bigger sister. And we're walking right now because we're gonna go get some food and like, because there's no really much parking, so we're gonna have to park in this one spot and now we're gonna walk. And we're walking to get some pizza and then we're gonna drive to the beach. You feel me? And yeah, basically. Yeah, so you feel me? But honestly, it just feels so good here. Like, it's really pretty outside. The sun is out, and you know, I'm in my hot girl summer, so.
There's really more people in cars.
This is not summer. It feels like a desert.
What the hell? And this is my friend
so
Tanaya. Bruh. Anyways, I feel like it feels good, okay? It's windy. And it's sun out, yeah? And then here you go, the birthday girl.
Hey. Oh shit. You guys see this tan going on?
But she looks very pretty. She's turning how old today? Period. Period. So yeah, guys. So we're walking. I went to some pictures and stuff. So how do y'all see the scenery?
No. Let me just save it.
Alright guys, so we just done got our pizzas from, wait, let me see, can this work? Okay. So here are my friends eating their pizza. Period, period, period. It's a flip. No, the thing up. That. Alright, got it. Alright guys, so we left the pizza place and now we're at the beach And we're gonna take a whole bunch of pictures and videos. And yeah, a whole lot of fun. Birthday girl, how you enjoying so far?
Bro, it's fucking amazing. Oh shit. Girl.
Bruh. Yeah, guys, see you in a bit.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact. I'll be growing up, baby. I can't let it slip away. Let it drift away. Can go to waste, go to waste. I see it's through, take it, please. Won't contemplate. You got the ways that is late.
Having fun. How you doing your birthday so far? Doing good as well. Getting ready for round two.
What's up, guys? It's the next day, and this is my sister. This is her beach party, and we are at the beach having a great time. I'm about to take some bomb ass pictures because, period. Yesterday I had a great day too. I enjoyed myself with all of my great friends that I have. And yeah. Oh my god. So now I'm about to take a picture of the scenery. Period. Look at my sister. She getting ready to do her little pictures. Wait, first of all, ain't nothing little over here. She getting ready to do her big ass pictures. Period. She about to do her thing. Look at her outfits. All right, hurry up. All right, let me show you the scenery and yeah. Who's next? Who's asking a question? What's up, guys? It's Wednesday and today is graduation. Yo, we looking crusty, whatever. We got our wigs in our hands. Show your wig, show your wig. So we were at a restaurant appointment. We got graduation at 3 o'clock. Right now it's 11 something. We still don't have our outfit for Fashion Nova. And it's over here. Because she has the only one with the ring. And we're still, like, it's just a whole lot of stuff going on. So right now I'm going to try and show out as much footage as I can. But my next vlog is so chaotic, but I know y'all loving that.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real?
I'm done with my hair. Now I gotta hurry and go for my brother's graduation. Woo, guys. You won't believe I got places to be. Hold on. All right, we're walking us on the graduation, but we are like 14 minutes late, but that's good because my brother's already inside. My mom had an incident, things falling, we're in the street. I don't even know at this point. We all struck. She got something on her pants, and she has light blue pants. Like, I don't know what's going on, but I know I look good. Wow. Nah, but like for real though, because it's just a whole lot of inconveniences happening, but what can we do, right? Bro, then I was walking up these stairs. Oh, here. I'm getting ready to walk up some more. So I'm here with the new graduates. How y'all feeling? Okay. We have John. So this is John and this is Z. Let's go. How y'all feeling?
Nursing, alright.
Okay, so what y'all gonna do?
Nursing.
Okay. How about you, Z?
This is woman.
Okay, let's go. So we got these new graduates. So here my brother, he done graduated. How you feeling, Stefan? Bruh, look at his medals and shit. Like, okay then.
I'm feeling real good. I'm gonna take over real quick though.
Bruh.
Yeah, I graduated today. How do I feel? The real world's coming right now. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, it's gonna get real hard. Are we ready for it though?
So that's it for the graduation so far. Now we're gonna go and celebrate with a dinner. We're gonna plan it out. I don't know if we might have to. I don't know. I might do the whole process of that, but we'll see. Are you ready, girl? Yeah, guys. All right, so I bought stuff on a gift. It's random. Open it.
Guys, she bought me a gift.
I bought you gifts to Stefan. They didn't come yet.
What you got me? You know I was about to give me one of these too.
Well, I got it for you. Open it up.
Nah, I could have saved me. It's a set.
Yeah.
Okay then. Now I got a thick neck.
Alright, so me and my baddie sisters are at Red Lobster. We gotta eat up. We in a whole table, but you know, baddie's she don't fuck more. Anyways, so right now I ordered a fruit smoothie. She ordered.
Oh, I got Diet Pepsi.
Diet Pepsi and my sister also. But right now we're gonna look at the food, but we're gonna let the biscuits mirror in first. Let's see how that's going. Then we can, you feel me? Yeah. But so far that's the scenery, that's what's going on. So yeah.
Nice smile. Why did you smile? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Okay, and one part of this way.
Alright, Stefan, what you got? What you got, Stefan? Alright, so I ordered and I got that. It's a shrimp pasta with a strawberry lemonade. Strawberry smoothie and water. My sister, Reen, what'd you get?
Huh? Exactly.
What you got, Reen?
What you got? What's it called? I don't even know what it's
She
called.
just got a lot of stuff. Just know these herpes. Woody. Yo, Stefan, ask your friend how you gonna pay. How you gonna pay?
Alright, look, right? Look, there's 16.
No, there's 14. Look at the empty seats, 16 chairs. No, there's 14. Look at the empty seats, 16 chairs. There's 2 empty
It's
seats.
14. Okay, so it's 14 of us, right? So 9 and 5.
How? Who's 5?
5 is 5.
Cause my family isn't 5. My family is that's 4. That's 3 right here. That's and then one right there and one right here.
So we're gonna just do it like this. 9 divided by 5. 5.
Yo, what the? Alright, so guys, today is another day that I am going out with my friends and we're going to the kitchen. This crew, I don't remember what it's called to be honest, but I'm gonna show a little clip of it. Her name is Antonia. I'm gonna let her speak first, so sorry. So yeah, we bought a vibe and yeah. I'm gonna show you a little clips of today, but yeah.
The thing is you order on
Little mukbang. So you can see all the food we got in. Do a little mukbang. Ooh. Little mukbang. Okay, so I don't know how to use chopsticks actually, but I'm trying to do it with the freaking. You guys can see it. The rice that's right here. All right. Okay, so how can we do this? How can we do it? I didn't ask for before. Just come inside. I'll tell you after before, kid.
You got it. Now hold it to the side.
Okay, teach me again. One more time.
Hold it to the side. Got
Okay.
one chopstick right here. Right between, right in this part, right?
Okay, so wait. Hold on.
Hold the chopstick like this. Put one chopstick in here. Right? Like this. And then next chopstick in that. Right? And then put your little finger under it. goes like this, right? Here, here, and under it. Right? Yes.
It's about that. I think my freaking finger is not flexible enough or something. I don't know.
I'm gonna get 4 for 6.
Get here for it.
Yeah.
We're not even. We
I'm
too.
gonna go sushi at this point.
At this point, like for real. We're asking one.
Excuse me.
This finger broke.
A few things, sorry. Can we get 2 forks out of it, please? Thank you. Help is on the way.
I'm gonna eat with this right now. Hit.
The videos.
Y'all witnessing me be a fat ass. Don't judge. Okay. Just saying. Because
So, oh my god. Oh, wait, on this.
thank you. Nah, but I'm still with this one for now.
Yeah.
Yup.